DDD workload that's defined in DDD. And also second step is map relationship. Third one is applying design pattern, that's IA, and also create indices. And in prototype we have seen about identifying the data in the application leaf and also creating a workflow template with apps. We have seen the examples. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. So the first step is identify related data in your schemas. Identify the data that your applications queries and how entities related to each other. Consider the operations you identify from your applications. Workload in the first step of schema design process. Note the information these operations write and return and what information overlaps between multiple operations. So the second step is create schema map of your related data. Your schema map should be related to data fields and the type of relationship between those fields, one-to-one, one-to-many, many-to-many. The schema map can resemble an entity relationship map. Thank you.
Decision variable data are used reference depends on the application commonly. Review the queries and identify the application workload. Step and use the guideline. Decision ready to create design your that support reference to circuit queries.
Consider the applications workload and schemas in applications that currently supports to scenarios and may support that in future. Then today's topic is identify application workload in MongoDB. The first step is schema design process, and that helps to identify operators in the application most frequently. Then knowing our application most common queries helps to create effective indexes that limits the number of applications in the database. And then about this talks, when you consider application workload, consider the scenarios and applications currently supports and standards most support in the futures. This is schemas to function all stages of your development steps. Now we are going to see scenarios. This is the process of schema. Use case, task in different process. Identify your workload, map relationships, apply design patterns in ideas, create indexes, and explore techniques identifying the data your applications needs. And the second one is create workload database with the app registration.
Good morning to all. I am Samdar from the BSCS Surface Community. In scheme data process, there are two types. Identify the data your application needs. Your application is user and the information they need. Your business domain application works and frequently run to see data commands and MongoDB deployment see database provider. Create workload table with your application queries. There are 5 queries: action, query type, information, frequency, period.
Good morning to everyone. I am Kartika from BSCS Full Stack Development. Today we are going to see about the 5 types of queries. First one is action. The action that a user takes to trigger the query. Next, query type. The types of query: read out, write. Information. The document fields that are either written or returned by the query. Frequency. How frequently your applications runs the query. Query that are run frequently benefits from indexes and should be optimized to avoid lookup operations. And last one is priority. How critical the query is to your applications. Thank you.
Myself, Ajitma. Today we will see the for example of workload block. There are 5 types. Actually, submit and view article, submit a comments on the article, view on article, view articles. These are 5 types in action. There are types: cross, write, and submit comments like hearts, write, view on write, this one reading type. In the view article analysis, you are reading type. Next, we are seeing the information frequency properties in the actions. The author text, then paper text high in the submit and view articles. Next, we see about the submit of the comment and articles. Also use the text and also per day medium those property. Next, view articles. Those are article ID text comment 10,000 per day high. was promised. Next, view article ID comments in information. Next, we was 10 per hour and we was low property. Next step, the next step, map schema relationships. Because when you design your schema, consider how you application make your query and return data. It was in the map schema relationship. It was how does map relation between data and type of your application's performance and scalability. This is the recommended way to handle related data is to embed it in sub-document. Endless related data lets you application query and data with a single read. For operation and overflow operation. For some use case, you can use a reference to point the related data to expected collections in the map schema